Adele here. Have you ever used Google Spreadsheets in order to work collaboratively with other teachers? I suggest you try it. There's a lot of really good things you could do with it. What I'm going to be using it for here today is for a collaborative glossary that I'm going to be building with other teachers who are in this Out of This World project. So I'm going to be sharing this link with the other teachers in the project. They of course have to have a Google account, and they have to be signed into their Google account in order to do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to build a glossary that has to do with space. If you look here, this is a spreadsheet. I'm not going to show you how to make a new one because I don't want you making a new one for this project. I want you using this one. I'm going to share this link with you. And when you get it, you'll see that at the bottom there are tabs, and each tab is a different letter. So what I'd like you to do is to go into one of the tabs and add words that have to do with space, words that you think that your students are going to need when they're working on this project. So I've started a few in the letter A, and each of these tabs will look the same, and the top row will be frozen. I'm going back to A. When the top row is frozen, it doesn't matter when people add new words to the A list. You can click on the top of the column and say sort sheet A to Z, and then it will all be in alphabetical order. So for example, we have the word asteroid, and I'm going to paste in the definition of asteroid that I found, and you write in the Arabic or the Hebrew, whatever your language is. Let's see how many words we can gather that have to do with space. Afterwards, we'll be able to use these words to build Quizlets, to build all sorts of activities for our students to do that will help them enrich the vocabulary. So I'm going to be sending this out to the people who are in the Out of This World project, and I'll be happy for you to add words to it as soon as you can. Let's see how many words we can get together by the 17th. And for anybody else who's watching this, think of ways you can use this tool in order to teach your students. Bye.